Cause life is good, and it keeps getting better. Why would I be stressed when I know who made the weather good? And it keeps getting greater. Why would I be stressed about some stuff that happens later? I'm not sad today. Every day with you's like Saturday. It's good, and it keeps getting better. Why would I be stressed when you work all things together? Season doesn't get to define me when I'm defined by you. The situation can't make or break me when I was made by you.